Hey everyone, welcome to maybe the worst tutorial of my entire YouTube career. So buckle up. I put in these circle lenses and I cannot see anything. And when I say I cannot see anything, my vision is like at maybe 15%. Like I cannot see a thing, okay? Mistake number one. But I wanted to put this up because, when in Rome. So I'm using some Urban Decay primer all over my face. And we're going to be using these NYX Special Effects creams. I'm going to be mixing the brown, pink, and red together because the red on its own is a little too bright for my liking. Helpful tip, don't use these all over your skin because they do not come off. I tried a balm cleanser, I tried oil cleansers. I'm showing you the color here, so it's a little bit more of a deeper red. I'm applying this all over my face. Anyway, back to this. It does not come off, and I tried a zillion different things. It stains everything, including my skin. So you can use them for little things, maybe just not the red, okay? My advice to you. So that's mistake number one with this tutorial. But anyway, we're going to continue. I'm applying this all over my face. And I'm also applying it down my neck. I didn't choose to do my shoulders because I knew pretty early here that this makeup really wasn't gonna work, and I should have just taken out my lenses and continued on, but I really wanted the photo with the lenses in and I can't put them in after. La da 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 da, you don't care. Anyway, I'm blending this out with a beauty blender, and I don't know why I'm putting this over top of my eyelids. We don't know. Helpful tip, maybe do your eyebrows and your eyes first before applying red all over your face. I'm also applying this in my hairline because I'm a red devil. Now I'm going to go into the black special effects cream from NYX, and I am using this Kat Von D brush just to add some contours into my face. And like I mentioned, I cannot see, you guys, I cannot see. So I was just like feeling it out, and hopefully it was the right pigmentation, which it doesn't look too bad as I'm just applying it on, and then I'm going to blend it out with a beauty blender after. So I'm blending that out with a beauty blender and adding a little bit more red just to sharpen that. And I was seeing, for the little bit that I could, like I didn't really know if I had blended it out all the way, so I was taking a wee bit more of the black and applying that onto my skin. So once that was deep enough, I can't see anyway, I'm taking the white and I am applying that as my highlights on my face. So everywhere where you would typically highlight, that's where I'm making this go pink, which I didn't really know that this was obviously white and red. Anyway, maybe mix a little bit of yellow into this and then it won't go so pink. So I'm putting on my forehead, down my nose, up my cheekbones, chin, the whole kit and caboodle. And then I'm just going to blend that out and scratch my nose and cover that back up. I'm really posting this, you guys, just so you can see that not every makeup is perfect, and not every time I do makeup, it is perfect. And I think that's really important to note because a lot of the times, makeup artists, how do I say this? I'm just mumbling, but they don't always do everything perfect. Please forgive us, okay? Anyway, so I'm just blending and blending, blending. Then I'm taking this Makeup Forever stick and I am going to be filling in my brows with that. And like I said, I can't see. So I tried to use this little mirror and I still couldn't see. And it was at this point I was like, damn it, should I just take out my lenses? Should I remove the cream from around my eyes and do my eyes and then continue? But I said, you know what, Bailey? You've done a million things before, you can do this. So I'm just sharpening that up with a little bit of red, which it didn't look too bad. But then I started on the eyes here. And yeah, this is when I probably shouldn't have been using the creams, but that's what the little devil on my shoulder told me. So I'm blending that black into my crease and a little bit above, and then I'm also dragging that below as well. Can you guys hear baby purring? She's sitting on me currently as I'm doing this voiceover. I think you guys can probably hear her little purr. And then I'm just taking a clean brush and just blending that up. And this is almost like a shitty gray, but I can't tell because I can't see. I'm also popping that into my waterline as well, which, is it even going in there? I guess it did. Bringing that black over a bit more because it's creasing. Then I'm taking the white and I'm putting that in my inner tear duct, and then I'm also going to do like a slight cut crease with this. I knew I was doing this part messy because I'm just going to cover it with something anyway. I just wanted a white base underneath it, so I'm just, you know, sloppily applying this on. And then I knew that this was very, very moist and very, very creamy on my eyelid, so I decided to set that with a little bit of powder from this Mayron palette. And then I decided, you know what? What the heck? I may as well set the black as well. So I did set the black, and then I tried to blend some of that black shadow on there as well. I did put a little bit of liner on my upper lash line as well, just to prep for some lashes. And like, this doesn't look too bad, right? I know my skin is like super shiny and there's a lot of reflections from all the lights because I didn't set it with a powder. But like, it's not the worst thing, right? Okay, I'm applying a little bit of mascara to my eyes. And I'm going to be using this Inglot Pigment. I thought this was so pretty, so I'm going to wet my brush and apply that on. Isn't that so pretty? In hindsight, maybe I just would have did my lid red, but you know, like I said, not everything's perfect. And if you're still watching this, I hope you're going like, oh my god, what are you doing? Literally, what are you doing? If I was watching this, I'd be like, you're an idiot. You don't deserve to be on the internet. Lashes I'm applying are some pretty bold lashes. Hopefully they'll cover what I've done. And since my face wasn't shiny enough, it's time for some highlight. This is a Wet n Wild highlight. It was part of a collection. I think it was like Flights of Fantasy or Fancy or something like that. I forget what it was called. It was a summer collection. And I'm just adding this everywhere that I want to shine and beam. Ooh la la. For my lips, I'm using a Rimmel Stay Matte liquid lipstick. This is just in the shade black. I thought I needed some black lips. And then I decided to just put a little bit of this Wet n Wild gloss on top, and that's the look, you guys. This is an absolute mess. Like, what is happening on my forehead? I can't even see that it's not blended. That's the look. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you in my next one. Hopefully it's actually good.